5 tips for better video calls with Microsoft Teams. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple tips to help you have smoother and more professional video calls using Microsoft Teams. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, always test your audio and video before the call. Click on your profile picture, go to Settings, then Devices to check everything is working properly. Choose a clean, quiet background, or use Teams' built-in background blur or virtual background to keep things distraction-free. Make sure you're well lit by sitting near natural light or using a ring light. Good lighting instantly improves video quality and makes you look more professional. Use the raise hand feature to avoid interrupting during meetings. It keeps the conversation organized and respectful, especially in large group calls. And lastly, stay engaged by turning on your camera, muting when not speaking, and using the chat to share links or thoughts without breaking the flow. And that's how you can level up your video call game with Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.